Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
Chapter 5, Review. In this lesson, we will discuss review questions 1 through 3. Let's start by taking a look at review question number 1. Martin owns a house in a local college town which he rents to students. Which of the following would not be considered part of Martin's rental income? A. Martin rents the house to 3 students for the 2012-2013 school year, and the students pay their first and last month's rent before moving in. B. Martin rents the house to 3 students for the 2012-2013 school year, but 2 of the students drop out of school in January 2013, and all 3 students pay a cancellation fee to Martin in order to break the lease. C. Martin rents the house to 3 students for the 2012-2013 school year, and each student pays Martin $500 as a security deposit. When the students move out at the end of the school year, Martin returns their security deposits. Or D. Martin rents the house to 3 art students who offer to paint a large mural in the living room in exchange for 1 month's rent. Martin accepts their offer. The answer is C. As long as Martin refunds the students' security deposits, he does not have to consider the security deposits rental income. Now let's take a look at review question number 2. Lee owns a condominium in New York City's Times Square. Each year she visits her parents from December 22 to January 2nd and allows tourists to rent her apartment while she is gone. True or false? Lee must declare the rent she receives as rental income. The answer is false. Because Lee is only renting out her condo for 12 days, she does not have to declare the money she receives as rental income. Let's look at review question number 3. Jimmy rents a house to Mary and Stan, who move in on January 1st, 2012. Mary and Stan sign a 1-year lease with the option to buy the home. Per the terms of the lease, the monthly rent is $1,000, payable on the 1st of every month. In May, Mary and Stan decide to buy the house, and they sign a land contract with Jimmy on May 15th, 2012. Per the terms of the land contract, Mary and Stan's monthly house payment will be $1,000, payable on the 1st of the month. How much rental income will Jimmy receive from Mary and Stan in 2012? A. $5,000, because any money paid to Jimmy before Mary and Stan sign the land contract counts as rental income. B. $4,500, because May's payment must be divided between rental income and part of the sale price of the house. C. $0, because once the land contract is signed, any money paid to Jimmy in 2012 counts as part of the sale price of the property. Or D. $12,000, because all money paid to Jimmy during the term of the original lease counts as rental income. The answer is A. Any payments made to Jimmy after the land contract is signed are considered part of the purchase price of the house rather than rental income. Therefore, payments made prior to May 15th are rental income.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.